Hi, in this video, we are going to learn about what are balanced and unbalanced forces. Ever wondered when you are sitting on a chair or maybe standing still, why don't you just sink into the ground due to your weight? Well, before learning about why does that happen, let's take a look at these few examples. Imagine a tug of war game. In this picture, you can see the blue team has three players while the red has two players. Now, which team do you think is going to win? The blue one, because more people are pulling it aside and there is more force. Now, let's take a look at another picture. Here, the number of players in the blue team are three, and the number of players in the red team are also three. That means they have been applying an equal amount of force. And the trolley in the middle, do you think it's going to move? No, it won't because both of them are pulling with equal amount of force and the trolley is going to stay still. That is the same case what happens with us when we are sitting on a chair or we are standing still on the ground doing nothing, not at all. Take a look at this first picture. The man is just sitting on the chair doing nothing, but still he is not going down or sinking into the ground. Why? First thing first, let's take a look at how many forces are actually acting on this person just sitting here. First, he has some weight. Everyone does. So, due to that weight of his, he is pulled down by the gravity. That is one of the force. Now, just like the tug of war game, if one team has more force, more players, obviously that team wins. If there is only gravity acting, that's more force. He should just sink down at the ground, but that does not happen. That means there's something else. Maybe there's another player, there's another team. So the same case is happening here. There is another force that has been applied by this chair surface on the person in the exact opposite direction, that is the upward direction. We call it the normal force or upward thrust. So the equal amounts of forces are acting in two opposite directions, one upward, one downwards. Eventually, they are canceling out the effects of each other, and the person not he is flying into the air due to the upward thrust, not he is sinking into the ground due to the gravitational pull. And this type of forces, when two forces are acting in opposite direction and they cancel out the effect of each other and no movement occurs. These type of forces, we call them balanced forces, while the forces that are actually responsible for motion, the movement of any object or anything, we call them the unbalanced forces. So, when two or more forces they act on an object and are equal in all the directions, that will be a result. That is no movement. Nothing's going to move when there is a balance force. And on the other side, when two or more unequal forces are acting on any object, the object will be in motion. That's all about balanced and unbalanced forces. Thank you for watching.